In this tutorial, we will configure Crawleo MCP server in Postman. First, open your browser and go to crawleo.dev. Sign into your account or create a new one if you have not already. Once you are logged in, head over to the dashboard and click on API keys. Now, create a new API key by giving it a name. And copy this API key. Make sure to save it somewhere safe. Now open Postman and press Ctrl plus Alt plus B together. Now, click Add this settings icon at the bottom and select Configure MCP Server. Now click on Edit Config and in MCP Servers, paste this code right here. Now replace your API key with your actual API key and click on Update. Now you should see Crawleo MCP Server enabled, and if you click on it, you should see two tools, search_web and crawl_web. Now let's test it. What is the GTA 6 release date? Use Crawleo. And here it is, Crawleo MCP server, working inside Postman.